Reading practice number 5. Dear Mr. Dennis, we are sorry that a $10 interest charge was added to your November bill, period. As you know, your account has never been overdue, and we are grateful for the promptness with which you regularly take care of your monthly bills, paragraph. Would you prefer to have us send you a check for $10 or simply deduct this amount from your December bill, paragraph? I assure you, Mr. Dennis, that we will be more careful hereafter, period. We hope you will pardon us this time, period. Yours truly, Reading practice number 6. Dear friend, today our store faces a serious financial crisis, period. The rapid rise in prices has curtailed our sales considerably, and our steadily increasing cost of selling have created a rather difficult problem from us, paragraph. We have petitioned our creditors for relief in an effort to resolve our problems, period. To implement our agreement with our creditors, we must raise cash immediately, and the only source of that cash is the furniture we have on display, paragraph. Our store has a large inventory of fine furniture, all of which must be sold quickly, period. Beginning immediately, therefore, we are offering this furniture for sale at substantial discounts, paragraph. So come in soon and see for yourself the fine values you can obtain at low prices that will actually amaze you, period. Sincerely yours,